Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disable do not disturb in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to disable your do not disturb, so guys you can disable in your Motorola phone. And guys, now let's see how to disable do not disturb in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, now let's see how to disable do not disturb. So friends, open your phone setting to disable this do not disturb. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on your sound setting and guys click on do not disturb. Guys click on turn off now, means disable. Guys, you want to disable, then guys do not disturb will disable in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable do not disturb. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video, or thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.